Good afternoon, August the 6th, 2015. Time to recap for the day. Ted, tell me you don't know exactly where the market's going before the fact. I mean, this stuff is beautiful. Get a move out of the middle. Right there off of a high volume number. And you're going to go to the low volume number. Take that out. Got another high volume number. And this little low volume number right here held the market. So we got into this high volume area, and this low volume number right here stopped it. So it's a nice bit of information to have when you start trading. We came in today a little late. I didn't get it up. The bottom just fell out of it right here. We wanted to be short to start out. We talked through this trade right here. I got 3 points on that. Left a lot of money on the table. 3 points here. 3 points. 2.5 points here. I thought the low was probably in. Trading range came back up. Nothing but lower highs. Market breaks, market breaks, market breaks, market breaks. Starts to find a bottom. What's supported the market down here? What's taken the market up? 50 lot trader. You have to watch this player. So trading was good, pretty easy to see. Market was headed lower. We didn't have anything that told us that it wasn't. And you can see off the lows right here. The 100 lot traders comes in and starts to get long in this area. The 50 lot trader kind of mixed, but also in this area. 20 lot trader mixed off the bottom. So you can see that the buying came when we went back up through 73, leading into 73 off this low. So you've got a beautiful retest failure off here. You've got the feedback from the market you need. That'll help you see the markets. The conditions are right for it to trade higher. And again, I'm not saying it's easy, but you have access to information that can really help you sharpen your pencil. And the way we follow and track the market, we make you focus on the objective. What's going on here? What's going on there? What's going on our F5 screen for the auction process, and then our F6 screen, our F over here for it's another way of looking at what goes on in the auction. So you do have the tools that you need to make a go of this. If you are a calculated risk taker, and if you're not a calculated risk taker, all the information in the world can't help you. That's all there is to it. So how do you know if you're a calculated risk taker? Will you make a decision? Will you jump in without all the information you need to, or that you'd like to have in making your decision? Are you late to the game? You require so much proof that a market's going to move that there's a little bit left, but not much when you finally decide to get in. There are a lot of ways that you can come in and assess if you're psychologically suited. You got the personality to do this. Here's our 8250. As long as we stay below that number, the market can trade lower. Lower high, lower low. This market is pointed lower without news. Tomorrow we have usually the biggest news day of the month. Unemployment and non-farm payroll. 212. That was the ADP number, 210 to 215. Private non-farm payroll, 210. Government is back hiring again. Unemployment, 5.3. The difference between the expectations for these two numbers can give you a whipsaw. Earnings plus 0.2, that's kind of the default. Doesn't match with the macro measurements of income, etc. And work week unchanged at 34.5. So if you know the news, you've got the trade. Very clean break in the market here on let me go back and redo this. I don't understand why. All it ever comes in is it's kind of like my other charts. I got two charts that all are going to show you is 30 days worth of history, no matter what. So right here, the low volume number is at 82 1/4, right up there. That matches your F1 screen. So as long as we stay below 82 1/4, we should expect the market to retest the lows and or go lower. First sell if the market closes here for Globex is 79 to 81. Second sell is 84 to 86. Again, it's a Newsday trade. I think we'll probably have a pretty quiet Globex session. On the buy side, 70 72. And then 65 67. All's going to swing down to what happens on the news. You have to, if you want to benefit from the news and get the maximum swing, you have to position before the news hits. The market has been run down into the news, so if it's still on the low side right before the news hits tomorrow, just because it has been run down into the news, the trade would be from the long side. Very early on, the note and the bond were telling us watch out for selling in the E-mini. And that's what happened. Inside day, trading range, markets on hold for tomorrow's unemployment numbers. So again, not much help from this screen. We look at the F2 screen, it'll show that we want to be buyers. So for Globex, 3 to 7, on the assumption that the E-mini has not cratered overnight. Then 11 to 15 for sell 2. On the buy side, 29 to 25. And back to our 17 to 21, which is where we wanted to get into today. Pretty good day trading in the really we had across the board. Most trades were fairly easy to see. Our big markets gave us the play that we expected. Looking at the 30-year. Okay, Will, we have not broken the 16 to 18 level, so K period retested 18, held up pretty good. The market has bounced back. Hopefully you participated and took advantage of that. Definitely have a P right here. Last rotate up was 27. The high is 03. We're at 26 right now, so 31s to 03 will be sell 1. And 11 to 15 will be sell 2. Don't think we get to our number 2 numbers. On the buy side, 20 to 16, 21 to 17. Pick up this area right here as support. Then we have the breakout, 5 to 9. Okay, taking a look at gold. kind of an inside day. We're just sitting here, not much going on. So fold all this back in. Here we sit, definitely dealing with a B structure. So know the news. This one is going to react to unemployment news too. You got the trade. So resistance is 92 to 94. So 91 to 93, sell 1. 95, 97, sell 2. On the buy side, 85, 87, buy 1. 80, 82, buy 2. Okay, crude oil is headed lower, and I mean that's no surprise to any of us. Finding a place to sell it. End of the week profit taking. This 42.50 area is within reach, probably not tomorrow. So lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. End of the week short coverings, all that I can see. So we're back where we were today, 44, 44 and a quarter. It is support, buy 1. We'll make 45, 45 and a quarter. Let them get stops above that, sell 1. And then 50 to 75, sell 2. And then if we break 44, because 42.50 is so close, we'll make 43, 43 and a quarter, buy 2. Don't think we get to a number 2 points overnight. The U.S. is where the trading in crude starts. Might be a little far away on our buy side on the number 2 trade, but so be it. And last but not least, the euro. Okay, it's going to swing on our numbers too. If we show more employment than the 212, it'll sell. If we show less, it'll rally for a bit, but it probably won't break out to the upside. Higher low, higher high. F1 says find a place to buy it. Working with the P here. So maybe stops above today's day session high. So sell 1s will be 50. Again, it's just down to the news. Know the news, you have the trade. Buy 1 will be 109. And then our 874, which is where we came in. So we caught the edges of this market really pretty well. That's it for August the 6th, 2015. I will see you bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening.